Introducing the 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 Phev Inscription Pro in stunning blue. This 5-door powerhouse boasts a 1.5-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine with automatic transmission, perfect for tackling any adventure. Loaded with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and USB12V Power Outlets, this SUV is a dream to drive. With luxurious touches including ambient lighting, power boot close, and traction control, every journey will be a pleasure. Plus, with a chrome package, roof rails, and spoiler, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive home in style today.